my baddies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Aviance, and before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and share. Okay, my baddies, let's get into this video. But before we get into the wig install, let's get into this wig. Today, we're going to be working with this 13x4 water wave 22-inch 180 density unit. I love this unit. It has great quality. It was amazing, and I love the texture. It was very soft, and I was able to run my fingers through it. I love the dry look and the wet look. This is how the unit looked after I washed it, bleached it, blow dried it, and combed it out. It had great quality, texture, and flow, and light shedding. And I also forgot to mention I did get this wig off of Amazon, but it's from UrGirlHair. For all my baddies that want to reinstall with wet styles, spam the comments. Here's the lace after I plucked it. It did come pre-plucked, but I plucked it to my liking. So let's go ahead and get into the install. So first you want to go ahead and throw that cap on and cut out those ears. And then you want to go ahead and put your makeup on to blend the cap in with your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with this got to be glue around the hairline, and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer. After I go in with the blow dryer, I'm going to go in with this lace bond adhesive spray to secure my cap even more. After that, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the blow dryer and make sure that both is dry before I put my band on. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut my cap, the extra cap that I don't need. I'm not going to go talk through the whole video. Certain parts are longer, so if I do stop, just know I'm just letting y'all watch what I'm doing. Now I'm going to go in to make sure I have the wig placed where I want it, as far as my hairline and ears. I'm going to go in with this adhesive spray again, bonding spray, along the hairline to go ahead and lay this wig down. Next, I'm going to go in with my band to have it melted. After that, I'm going to go in with some more adhesive spray, just so to make sure that this wig will stay on. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ears out on both sides, and then I'm going to go in and go ahead and start cutting the lace. I did cut the lace into 3 to 4 sections, so it would be easier for me to make sure I get close to the hairline as possible. Now I'm just going to let y'all watch me finish cutting the lace. Before you girls get in the comments down below, I already know that the makeup is not the same complexion as my skin. It's a little darker. That's all I had, so I made it do what it do. Now I'm going to go in with some more bonding spray just to make sure that nothing is lifting. Now I'm going to go in with this spritz so I can hide this lace. Or as my baddies would say, to melt this lace to get scalp. now I'm just going to go in with my rag and my water to wipe the extra adhesive spray or spritz off. And then I'm going to go in to create my baby hairs. So now that I done took my baby hairs out, I'm going to go back in with some more spritz and some adhesive bond spray to make sure everything is laid and slayed. I'm going to throw this band back on so everything can dry and get sticky and stick to my skin. So of course I had to go back in with the blow dry as well because that's what makes it dry faster. Alright you guys, that's the end of the wig install. So make sure you go over to Amazon or go over to UrGirlHair.com and purchase this 13x4 water wave 22-inch. This unit was very easy to install. It had great quality, texture, very soft, and I was able to run my fingers through. And it gave what it was supposed to give. We'll have everything linked down below. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe and come back for more. Bye.